consolidationsstrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Monday, December 23rd. We'll start with a quick look at the economic calendar, and it's pretty sparse for today. At 10:30 GMT, we have GDP data coming out from Canada, and at the same time, we have personal income and personal spending in the United States. It's also important to point out that tomorrow trading is going to be limited with European and American markets closing early without any major events scheduled to be reported tomorrow, and which means we would expect trading to be very light over the holidays. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 on Friday reached a new record high, as well as the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This was after the Fed announcement, which led many investors to expect the American economy to continue to improve. During the Asian session, Asian stocks were down mostly, except for Japan, which was closed due to a holiday. At the beginning of the session, S&P 500 futures are trading up by 0.3%, but again, we don't expect a lot of movement in the markets today because of the holiday. Also, it's important to point out that a lot of major traders may take the next couple days off as a long holiday, and we can have some erratic movements in the market. However, we expect mostly consolidation over the next couple weeks because we don't have any major news scheduled coming out until the end of the year. The euro currencies are going to be are expected to be trading mostly sideways, and the euro dollar would be an example. We expect it to keep between 136.50 and 137.10, which are current support and resistance levels. Again, there could be some erratic movement. However, the trend would be mostly sideways. Same thing with the pound, which would be keeping between support at 163.30. 163.30 would be support, and resistance at 164. And the yen, as we can see here, it was virtually unchanged during the Asian session, which is understandable considering that the Japanese market was closed. They would be trading between 103.80 and 104.50. And finally, we have gold. Gold on Friday rebounded off of an important, it rebounded off just from support here at 1,200, and it's below resistance at 1,220. We don't expect a major move with gold over the next couple of days. However, we would hope to see some form of consolidation here, whether it's going to be a breakout or a rebound or a correction. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.